Let's move on to the next question. The equation of a curve is given to you by this. Okay, now part 1, we have to find dy by dx and d2y by dx2. So pretty easy. We have to differentiate one by one. So dy by dx will be what? First step, because we have a power here, first multiply by the power, right? And then we have to minus 1 to the power. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Then we have to multiply by d by dx of the value inside. That will be just 2. That will be the first part. And here we have to differentiate. That will be 6. So you will have 6 2x minus 3 square minus 6. That is dy by dx. Now moving on, d2y by dx2. That should be what? First multiply by the power again. You will have 12. That will be 2x minus 3. Then minus 1 to the power become 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then multiply by d by dx of the value inside. That should be 2. Then this will become 0. That should be 24. 2x minus 3 power 1. That is part 1 of the question. Now for part 2, we have to find the x value of the two stationary points. Now we have to know something is that at the stationary points, we always have to know dy by dx have to be 0. That's the something we kind of have to know on the back of our mind. Whenever we hear stationary points, we have to think about dy by dx is equal to 0. So let's find those. We have 6 2x minus 3 square minus 6. This is dy by dx. Equate that to 0. Let me send this over here. You will have 6 2x minus 3 square is 6. We can divide by 6 on both sides, right? To cancel out those two, you will have 2x minus 3 square equal to 1, right? And then we can, if you want to, we can. There's two ways of solving this. We can obviously, that will be plus minus root of 1, which is plus minus 1. So 2x minus 3 is plus 1, or 2x minus 3 is minus 1. 2x will be the value of 4, x will be the value of 2. 2x will be the value of minus 1 plus 3, that should be 2. X will be the value of 1. So here we have the two possible values, or two x values of my stationary points. Okay, that is part 1 of the question. Now we have to find the nature of each point. To find the nature, so whenever you hear nature, we have to use d2y by dx2. So at this point is x equal to the value of 1. So let's find this one. What is the d2y dx2 when x is equal to 1? That will be 24. 2 times 1 minus 3. That is minus 1, right? So that will be minus 24. So since it is negative, we conclude that the point at x equal to 1 is a, if it is negative, it should be a maximum point. Now obviously if you had one maximum point already, so we can also conclude that at x equal to 2, it should be obviously the point is a minimum point. Obviously we have one max, obviously the other one should be a minimum as well. So that will be your question regarding differentiation.